Well, hello. Today, my wife Lydia and I are visiting the Ilani Hotel and Casino. We're in Ridgefield, Washington, right off I-5. This is the backside of the casino where we typically park and go in. They've got a lot of free parking here in the parking garage and in the big parking lot, but you can also do valet parking for just $4. There's my lovely wife Lydia heading on in, so I'm going to follow her. This casino boasts that it had the Best of Slots 2025 and was also the winner of the Best Gaming 2025. The casino is beautiful. It was built in 2017 and is owned by the Cowlitz tribe. So we're back at the Ilani Casino, and this time we decided to check in at the front desk, the member desk, and check to see if they had any benefits for being a new member. And they said, unfortunately, they don't. Because they don't have any competition for 100 miles. They said they just don't give away free play. And so we thought we'd ask. And so if you're curious, that's the answer.
Because we like freebie. If we'll get free, we can put in slot machine and maybe win another trip to Hawaii.
But we're going to start here in the casino and head over to the hotel. They have almost 3,000 slot machines here. It is really big, and here are some of the gaming tables and the sports book and the bar there in the back. The hotel that we'll go to soon just opened in 2023. In this area, they have a large food court with many different restaurants with different types of food choices and cuisines that are available. They also have this meeting and entertainment center. It's a multi-use building with over 30,000 square feet and can be divided into several different venues at a time. These 6 can also be opened up and used as one big venue, which can hold up to 2,500 people for concerts. Besides the food court, which house a lot of eating options, there are a few major restaurants like this one, the Line and Lure, which is a seafood restaurant. Here is the Longhouse Asian restaurant. This store is the place my wife likes to come to. They do have shopping here. And here's the Rock and Brews. This is a restaurant that also has live music. They also have some good 2 for $20 burger nights. Now I'm at the front of the 14-story Ilani Hotel. Like I said, it opened in 2023 with 289 rooms. They currently have many days with rooms starting at around $210 per night. As we start to walk in, we see that they've got an area where you can take your kids and let them play in the arcade. Here's the beautiful lobby of the hotel. This hotel also features the Bella Vista restaurant, which has Italian cuisine and views of Mount St. Helens. And right over there is the bar and bistro. Just outside and back behind the hotel lobby is this nice outdoor seating area. And here's the hotel check-in. The hotel also has this fitness center that it's open 24 hours a day, a nice big pool area with outdoor seating and cabanas. When you're done at the hotel, all you got to do is go back through this pretty hallway back to the casino. Well, thanks for making it to the end. We appreciate that. We travel around, we're going different places. Hopefully this was what was interesting to you. If it is, please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll just keep taking you on our journeys to other locations, other casinos, other ports, the cruises. We go everywhere. So
Yeah, parks, flowers, nature.
have a good day.
God bless everyone.
And by the way, as I mentioned before, we've got videos about our cruise trips, our ship tours, how much did it cost for us to go 60 days on cruise ships, and videos about places to go here in the Pacific Northwest. Please check them out.